Hi, this is Kurt down at Carnes Equipment with a brand new RZR 200. Great machine. Of course, this is a new model year for this one. A lot of great features. They went to fuel injected on here. Nice big tires for the kids. LED headlights. Full half doors. Of course, you got the flag all the way up there. And a little bit of bed for them. What's also great is if you have this machine on your Ride Command app, you can set geofence, you can set speed, you can even put a code in there so they can't just get in and hop in and take it for a ride. Also, it has the helmet awareness, so that comes with a couple of things that go on their helmets that if you require them to wear a helmet while they're riding this, it won't let them even start it if that helmet is not in the vicinity of the machine. So we just got this in. Of course, it seats two. Both do have seat sliders, so if you're looking for great youth RZRs like this, come down to Carnes Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-324-5251, and you can find it on our website at carnesequipment.com.